Watch how I go from this to this. Welcome and welcome back, roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne. I'm going to take this old hair. Yes, this is the old human hair wig, headband wig that I had. I've had it for about a year and it's been sitting in the trunk of my car. I took it out, washed it, conditioned it, let it air dry, and I did not use any products whatsoever. Once that was done, I decided I'm going to go ahead and apply it to my hair. Went ahead and tightened up the strap in the back, and I took the hair in the front and placed it over the headband of the headband wig, covering it up so you can't see it anymore. And I made sure to secure it down in the back as well. I took the comb and put it over the headband strap in the back so you can't see the headband whatsoever. So I could have left my hair like this, but you know what? I was kind of feeling a little bit of a side bang. So I wanted to do kind of a, flip over with it, but secure the hair so it didn't flip all over the place while I was walking outside. So I took about 4 bobby pins, placed my hair where I wanted it at, and got to pinning. The reason why I decided to use this old headband wig, and by the way, this is a 14-inch kinky curly human hair headband wig I got about a year ago. Yeah, a year ago. And it kind of mimics my hair as it would be in a twist out. And I wanted to do a twist out, but then I live in Portland, Oregon. I knew I was going to be walking outside. It could rain at any second. So I didn't want to deal with my own hair getting wet and ruin my curls before I walked into the stadium for the hockey game I went to go see for this particular date night in question. So I decided to opt for this headband wig, not put any product in it whatsoever, so it looked, natural. My hair frizzes up, so I wanted some of these curls to be frizzy. So as you can see, I'm still placing some bobby pins in here, fluffing it out, situating these curls exactly the way I wanted them to fall, and it worked. Looked like my own hair when my hair has been in a twist out style for about 3-4 days. It had the amount of body I wanted and it was cute. So let me know what you think. Have you ever tried something like this? Make sure you go ahead and leave me a comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and please give this video a thumbs up so other people out there know I'm here. Other than that, roses, I will talk to you later.